Lucy has more than one type of variation. The one I'm going to teach you ends with scuff, switch, feet. So it looks like this, nice and slow. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet. Or what's happening is shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet, which is really step, heel, from the side. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet. So normally in Appalachian clogging, we're usually shuffling and having our knee sort of lift and push down for our shuffles so that we're up in this ready position, the marionette position. But for the Lucy, we want to get our toe in the back quickly. So you're going to shuffle to have it ready to be able to toe. If we don't do that, sometimes the tendency is to have your toe happening right next to your foot, and then it's really hard to scuff from that position. So also it looks more interesting to have the foot back here in order to get a nice heel scuff. So it looks like this. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, step, heel. Or ready, go. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, step, heel. You can kind of make it fun. Or if you need lower impact, you're just going to step, heel from the back. From this direction, if you want to see it from this direction. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet. So let's try that together. Ready, go. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet. 5, 6. Ready, go. Shuffle, heel, toe, heel, scuff, switch, feet.